Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about term deposit. See, you are knowing about the bank and you are also knowing the same service of the term deposit in the bank. For the specific term, we are depositing our money and after specific time, we are taking back our money and it will be given us back as the account holder with added interest, right? So the same process is followed in the post office for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 5 year. We can put starts by 200 to the multiple whatever we want to put as the government allowed every year. The amount is allowed to deposit with addition of interest calculation at every 3 months. So the amount of interest is calculated on 3 months but paid to us on yearly basis. So the interest is written in the passbook. If we want to take the money, we can take it back, but in process of paying specific kind of the charges before our term may complete. So nothing is compulsory. This account is also easy to transfer as like the bank from one post office to the another post office. So before the maturity period, as like the bank, everything is possible in the term deposit accounts. So remember that this kind of the deposits are one kind of the savings for the people who want to save their money for longer period. Right, my friends? Now the next point is National Savings Certificates. NSC is for short form, right? Okay, earlier we have discussed about the recurring. In the recurring deposit, the short form may ask is RD. RD means recurring deposit. TD means term deposit. NSC means National Savings Certificates. Who want to save the money in specific certificates with only post office, they can get such savings certificate for the term of 5 years or 10 years. Here you remember the interest is confirmly added in the certificate and the same interest will be given us after completing specific periods, means the maturity period. So if any person want to get money not from the post office where he has taken the certificate but anywhere, he can go and he can, after doing the formalities, get money by showing the certificates to the post office authorities. So nothing is compulsory. Remember, who are unable to do the banking procedure in a large proportion, they can use the postal department as the banking facility right now. So for that I have earlier told that it is a one kind of the lifeline for the villagers. Understand? Okay, the next one is a Kisan Vikas Patra. Short form is KVP. So depositor of the Kisan Vikas Patra will get double amount then the invested amount after 100 months, means 8 years and 4 months. Remember the word double than invested amount. And the special thing is this: at the maturity period, who will presented the certificate of Kisan Vikas Patra to the post office will get the money. So, in case of this Kisan Vikas Patra, it is not necessary to do that we go in person who have taken the certificate, but instead of that, anyone may go there and can present the certificate and get the money. So it is a one kind of the bearer check after maturity period for any person who is having this Kisan Vikas Patra in his hands. So very clearly I am saying that post office is providing lots of the monetary help to the poor people. Now we are moving to the next point, is public provident fund. Most easily money to save for every person starts by 500 rupees per year minimum, up to more 15 years. Any person can save any money up to the yearly government declared limits. So, the withdrawal of the money within the time period is usually not allowed, but a person want to take the loan can get the loan. But one thing remember, this is only one account, cannot be closed before 15 years. The money deposited in the account is exempted from being income tax burden, whatever the money you have. But up to the limitation the government has decided you can save in this account. But in case of using this money, you can use this money after 15 years. Okay, here the nomination is also possible. So nominee means the successor who will get money after someone's death is called nominee, and his or her name should be registered with the authority is required, so he can get same money by showing proper proofs, right? So the PPF is most likely easily money invested scheme. As like the bank, in post office also it is maintained, right my friends? So now I am going to discuss about postal insurance. See, in India, the importance of postal insurance is generally for the urban region people is not knowing properly, but as a part of the welfare scheme for the people living in the village area, this postal insurance was started. All employees of the state government, central government and semi-government organization are eligible for this insurance. Different type of the policies are under postal insurance scheme with them. The main important feature, the salient feature of this scheme of insurance by postal department is lowest premium and maximum bonus with paid premium, right? So where the LIC is not possible to reach, in those places actually LIC is available at everywhere, but this is a small kind of the support to the people, so it is important to understand, right my friends? So we have discussed up to the postal insurance today. Okay,